Ready. Oh dear.
Baby, what you wishing for? Maybe you should wish it more.
Hi guys, it's Lavanya and this video is going to be a start for a mini photo walk series on my channel. So basically we'll be traveling to different locations for a photo walk and I'll share my experience and the tips and tricks that I learned throughout the journey with you guys. Today's video we'll be traveling to Jama Masjid Chandni Chowk. For that I just have to pack all the essential gears I need and then let's get started.
मेरा जिस हम ट्रेन देख सकते हैं
So we first went to Chandni Chowk market to have lunch. The place was super crowded but the food was really amazing. Then we went to Jama Masjid and this was the first entrance. So this place is a perfect one to capture that old Delhi vibe. People are dressed up in such beautiful attires, even little kids wearing burqas and everything. The one drawback here is that people do not really follow any COVID-19 guidelines and as such the place is so crowded. So if you're planning to come for a food walk here, you should keep that in mind.